Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Sergey and I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, it is Monday and I'm ready to get this week over with. Yay! So this is my OTD today. I'm kind of going a little more different than what I usually dress like, but I was like, you know what? Why not? It's like the end of the year. Trying stuff out is still okay. So I pulled out my bangs for this one and I tied my hair back. And then I'm wearing a turtleneck for Forever 21, and then I thrifted this black shirt. And then this belt I've had since like the 2nd grade. It barely fits me. And then of course these jeans and then these black Vans. So yeah, I'm kind of really feeling myself today. Well, look at that, you guys.
I can't come from the middle of the street. Where?
I know, it's like so foggy and it's crazy. Wow.
It's for vlog footage, Ricky. Why are you doing that? It's for vlog footage.
Gross. You're gonna spit in your muffin?
Kit Kat, there's no cookie. There's no cookie.
We're gonna sue Kit Kat today.
I like that.
Honestly.
I love that.
Can I eat it? This is fraud.
You're so right. Can I eat it though?
Look, there's no cookie.
We gotta get
Ow.
I'll give you.
I literally love your facial expressions on all my vlogs.
trying to make the movie. That's the worst part.
This one though.
Can I have some?
Yeah.
Can I have the ship? Got it!
Wait, Sylvia.
What?
So basically,
Can I tell the vlog?
yesterday, yesterday, or no, 2 days ago, I don't know what it was, but our friend Maura, she tapped a stranger. Oh my God,
She what?
tapped a stranger on the back, and then she's like, "You have something on your shoes," and then goes like that, and then it's like, "That's a neck."
If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I will think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. You, my darling, you. I don't know how the rest of the song goes. And I will always love you. I will always love you. Ooh.
Oof, I'm looking like a hot mess. Oh god. Okay, anyways, hey y'all, I'm home. I'm eating, I'm mostly finished it, but I'm eating cucumbers with lime and salt because I'm gonna have heart problems because I love salt. I freaking love salt so much. I was just watching Trevor Noah. Love that guy, he's so funny. Anyways, I didn't vlog that much, but sorry, today's just gonna be a short vlog. My day was pretty freaking good. Hope you guys like this video. Go like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.